Hey, you, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I would like to thank you for embarking on this journey to know where through the Healing Spirits Oracle by Gordon Smith, and artwork is by Naomi Walker. I will link in the description box where the deck can be purchased, and let's go ahead and begin with the unboxing. So it is a hardbound box, as you can hear. Right side, bottom, left side, top, and the back. Whether you're looking for solutions to the deeper mysteries of your life, protection from fear, help with healing, or finding your true purpose, the Healing Spirits Oracle is the perfect tool for finding guidance, spiritual awareness, and healing on many levels. Call on the high frequency wisdom of the spirits and open yourself to the incredible and loving world beyond. Gordon Smith is an internationally renowned medium, spiritual teacher, and best-selling author. His website is www.gordonsmithmedium.com. Naomi Walker, who is the artist, is an acrylic artist known for her astrally inspired images. Her website is www.skyspirits.co.uk. This is from Hay House, and it retails $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. So let's go ahead and get into this. And this one is this deck came from the summer membership box with Hay House, and I do want to read the insert that came with it. The Healing Spirits Oracle, a 48 card deck and guidebook by Gordon Smith, art by Naomi Walker. Brand new release was June 6, 2023, so it is out now. Discover the path to inner healing and deep spiritual connection. With messages channeled from the spirit world, this unique deck is here to bring you answers about the purpose of your soul experiences, past and present. Open your consciousness to higher possibilities and let the wisdom of the spirits guide you on your healing journey toward the life you desire. Ooh, and we have words. To all who use these cards, reach out with your heart and mind to the highest and best in the spirit world. Ask them to bless and give healing to all readings you give to yourself and others on the path. Okay, I don't see any spreads within the guidebook. So let's go ahead and get through the cards. These are the back of the cards. They are really beautiful. I can say they are really beautiful. It is your typical Hay House cardstock, not thick, not too thin. There is no glare on the cards because they are matte. I forgot to mention that. But I do want to zoom in for you guys, so give me a second. Making some last minute adjustments. I was trying to figure out where to put the cards. This one reminds me of the Northern Lights. And that is the last card, you guys. The images for me on this deck is a little bit different than what I'm used to. So I'm wondering how it would be when I work with these and what type of, because the energy that I feel from these are more of a light work. If that makes any sense to you guys, like a light worker type of an energy, like you're really working with spirits. It feels that way with this particular deck, the energy that comes from it. So yeah, I am eager to know how my being is going to work with this deck. But I did want to show you the back of the deck one more time before we completely end. There we go. All right, and I would like to thank you all once again for embarking on this journey to know where with me through the Healing Spirits Oracle by Gordon Smith, artwork by Naomi Walker. I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace, unconditional love, and light, beautiful spirit. See you in the next video or also in the comments below.